Are you looking for the best smart lamps? In this video we will look at some of the best smart lamps on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Philips Hue Iris Smart Lamp. Philips has long been a favorite of ours for its clever smart home devices. The brand's Iris Smart LED table lamp is no exception. The simple, minimalist design is unique yet versatile enough to work well in virtually any space, from a home office to a living room side table to a nightstand. Every color in this lamp's wide spectrum is bright and beautifully rendered to provide a soft, subtle ambience that makes any room feel more inviting. It's designed to pair seamlessly with other smart home products, or it can be controlled as a standalone lamp via the companion smartphone app. This is our hands-down pick for the best tabletop smart lamp of 2023. If you're going to buy just one lamp to brighten up your space, this is the one to get. It offers a solid combination of great looks, versatility, connectivity, and excellent buyer reviews. Our only real gripe is that it's a little on the pricey side, and it's not capable of cycling through colors on its own, which may or may not be important to you. What do buyers say? Beautiful lamp with a soft, diffused light that creates a cozy atmosphere, said one Amazon reviewer. At number 2. Nanoleaf Line Smart Wall Light Starter Kit. If you're looking to upgrade a game room, bring some pop to a den, or set up your own in-home YouTube studio, you want a smart lamp that's customizable. Nanoleaf is the best name in the game, and we especially love the Nanoleaf Line's Wall Light Starter Kit. It includes 9 identical straight-line LEDs that can be positioned and repositioned in hundreds of geometric combinations to form whatever shape light you want it to be. With more than 16 million available colors, it's guaranteed to add a serious dash of ambient color to any wall. The customizable design makes Nanoleaf's smart lights the most unique on our list. It's a cool, next-gen aesthetic that can easily serve as a focal point to elevate the look of any room. They're just unlike anything we've seen. The smart home compatibility is excellent, and once paired, they work flawlessly. We especially love the responsiveness to music feature to elevate your next party, too. The only downside? Price. At roughly $200, this is among the most expensive smart lamps/lights we've seen. But you're unlikely to find anything else like it on the market, so we think it's well worth the premium. What do buyers say? Coolest lights ever. Nanoleaf is the way to go. Nanoleaf is the OG of the lights game and nothing I have ever bought from them has failed me, said one Amazon reviewer. At number 3. Bieye 10797 Mission Tiffany Style Stained Glass Table Lamp. Bring timeless elegance and warm ambience to your home with the Bieye 10797 Mission Tiffany Style Stained Glass Table Lamp, a stunning decorative lighting piece designed to complement both classic and contemporary interiors. Measuring 20 inches wide by 24 inches high, this handcrafted lamp features a beautiful mission-style shade made from individually cut stained glass pieces, creating a rich mosaic pattern that glows with vibrant colors when illuminated. Inspired by the iconic Tiffany design tradition, it adds artistic charm and sophistication to any living room, bedroom, office, or reading nook. The sturdy metal base provides excellent stability while enhancing the lamp's vintage appeal. Whether placed on a bedside table, end table, console, or desk, it serves as both a functional light source and an eye-catching decorative accent. The warm, inviting light creates a cozy atmosphere, making it perfect for relaxing evenings, reading, or entertaining guests. Crafted with quality materials and attention to detail, the Bieye 10797 combines durability with timeless craftsmanship. Its elegant design makes it a thoughtful gift for housewarmings, birthdays, anniversaries, or holidays. Enhance your home decor with this exquisite Tiffany-style stained glass table lamp, where classic artistry meets everyday functionality, adding beauty, character, and lasting elegance to any space. At number 4. Masdio by Ampulla Bedside Lamp. Upgrade your bedside or workspace with the Masdio by Ampulla Bedside Lamp with Bluetooth speaker and wireless charger, a stylish all-in-one lighting solution that combines modern convenience with elegant design. This multifunctional table lamp features a built-in Bluetooth speaker, allowing you to stream your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks wirelessly with clear, immersive sound. The integrated wireless charging pad lets you conveniently charge compatible smartphones by simply placing them on the lamp's base, helping to reduce cable clutter and keep your space organized. Designed with stepless dimming, the lamp allows you to easily adjust the brightness from a soft ambient glow to bright task lighting, making it ideal for reading, working, studying, or relaxing. The built-in sleep mode gradually dims the light, creating a comfortable environment for restful sleep without harsh illumination. Its sleek, contemporary design complements bedrooms, living rooms, offices, dorm rooms, and home workspaces, serving as both a functional desk lamp and a sophisticated decorative accent. Crafted with quality materials for durability and everyday performance, the Masdio by Ampulla bedside lamp is the perfect addition to any modern home. It also makes an excellent gift for birthdays, housewarmings, holidays, or anyone who appreciates smart home accessories with practical functionality and elegant style. At number 5. Amazon Echo Blow Multicolor Smart Lamp. There's no denying that Amazon makes some of the best smart home devices, period. The latest generation Echo Blow is no exception, with a bright, fun design that's intuitive to use and easy to set up, thanks to Amazon's Certified for Humans tech. The technology makes it easy to connect to your home's wireless network and get up and running in no time. We especially love thoughtful features like being able to create custom lighting cues to, for example, set a reading timer or countdown to dinner of the kids. The sub-$30 price tag makes this the best priced smart lamp in our roundup. But that price doesn't include the fact that you'll need a second, Alexa-compatible device to get the most out of the Echo Blow's features because it doesn't include a built-in microphone or speakers. Still, with more than 40,000 buyer ratings, the majority of which are overwhelmingly positive, this is still a great buy, especially for kids' rooms or as an extra smart lamp to add to your existing smart home setup. What do buyers say? Out of more than 40,000 Amazon reviews, 89% recommend the Amazon Echo Blow with at least a 4-star rating. At number 6. Wyze LED Color Smart Home Bulb, 2-pack. Wyze's clever alternative to traditional tabletop smart lamps fits neatly into any standard light bulb socket. Just screw in the bulb, connect to your home network, and you're in business. Like many of the best smart lamps, these bulbs boast more than 16 million color possibilities, but are significantly brighter, up to 1,100 lumens or roughly a 75-watt equivalent. By integrating with Alexa or Google Assistant, you can create custom lighting routines that tie directly into your daily schedule, e.g., creating a personal sunrise wake-up, gradually dimming the lights at night, or dimming them after dinner for movie watching. We love everything about these bulbs. They're easy to set up in just about any home with Wi-Fi, while offering a full suite of smart hub features, including voice control, custom routines, and the ability to dial it all in from your smartphone. The best part, however, is the price. At less than $30 per pair, these are arguably the most affordable smart lamp alternatives available this year. What do buyers say? Very happy with these bulbs. Setup was easy and I have yet to have any connection issues, said one Walmart reviewer.